Sam Legend Mutandachinga, 2021 Outstanding Traditional Instrument Gospel Song.
Sam Legend, based in South Africa. He landed yesterday, fusing mbira and gospel. We're gonna Sam Legend Anechaunga. Sam Legend, based in South Africa. Well done, ma Korokoto Amshope.
A hearty congratulations to all our nominees and all our winners. Never ever despise humble beginnings. Begin to pursue your dream and your vision. Use your talent, operate where you are. Don't look outside of yourself and become all that God created you to be. In parting, repeat that. You are not just a winner for yourself. You are a winner in order to mentor and teach others. So look within your stable. Look within your community for people who are competent and reliable.
What came to your mind to come up with such a thing?
Okay, thank you very much. First and foremost, I'm a teacher. I have a passion for skills. Why? Because I earn my living from the skills. Not from
also it's not make any living.
Yes. Okay. This is why I'm still in Zimbabwe. If it was not for the skills, I would be elsewhere. Honestly. So these skills can sustain livelihood. And I've realized it. We can do music, we can do art and craft, we can do tie and dye, we can do batik, we can do a lot of things. And doing this, I'm saying, an average poor person in any country spends about $1 less on a day. But there is no one who is making such amount of money on a daily basis. But if you make something like this every day, this is about $15.
So you've got 15 days to live.
So it means you are making not only one per day when the skill is developed. You are making about 3 of this. This is about $45.
I saw when you told me.
Who is making $45?
When I came here, I thought it was very difficult. But when you showed me, it's not difficult. Yes, anyone can do it.
So with time and experience, you are going to make 3 of this per day. And this 15 times 3, that's $45 per day. Who is making $45?
Oh, that's brilliant. Okay, all right. So why do you like special needs ministry or special needs?
It's a calling, I must say. it's a calling, and I did not choose. I come to this, yeah.
Because I'm also involved in special needs, so that's why I wanted to know from another person what it means to them. Okay. So what does it mean for you to come all the way to come and say?
Okay, thank you very much. Like this is February the 5th today.
Yeah.
We've just released the grade 7 examination results.
Yeah.
And we had about 41.13% passing, which means we have more than 50% of those who have not made it academically.
Yes.
So what are we doing with those who are not making it academically?
You are imparting skills.
We need skills. So with these skills, we never go wrong. Because if we channel out people who are going into the world without academics and without skills, we are creating criminals. The country becomes a hub of criminals. because they will be idle, nothing to do. If we have people who spend their time seated and doing these things, you do this while they are seated.
I saw, I mean, you took me
I don't watch TV, I don't watch news, I listen. As I listen, I will be doing what I'm doing here. So
also you can actually watch TV and then
yes, with skill you can do that. And you, of course you will need a
just like now that
yeah. And you need a bit of course exercising so that you keep fit, because this can keep you seated for hours.
Oh, all right.
And you'll be making men of them.
Okay.
So by doing this, guys.
So can I ask?
Yeah.
Are you going to stop? Because we're in Norton right now, Norton in Zimbabwe. So are you going to stop today to impact communities, or you will continue like every other time?
For as long as we are living, like trees, seasons as they go, we are going to have new leaves, new fruits, and we have to develop. The moment we start doing those things, we are going to die. So as long as we are living, we have to continue doing what we have to do, spreading the skills. These people who are doing these things, of course, they are going to be very good and they are going to produce them in numbers. But I wish also that they become teachers of others who are interested.
Also, that it becomes viral.
Yes, it's a just to go on and on.
It takes to go viral. All right. No, thank you very much. This is also my passion. Special needs, also my passion. So I'm very happy, and I'm very happy to be associated with your efforts. May God bless you.
Thank you very much. We have to be thankful to you because you have supported this cause. If it was not for you, maybe we would be home seated or running away from the rains and sleeping maybe. But we are doing something.
Yes, but
it could be raining, but it could be making something.
Let me tell you what God does.
Yeah.
If you don't want to do a task, God can use stones even. So let's say glory to Him. Because if I refuse, God can use somebody else. So yes. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate your invite also for us to work together. I think it's
Thank you, sir.
how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
What's your name?
Miss Sharai Makota.
Oh, beautiful. May you please tell us what happened for you to end up now in the wheelchair?
Unfortunately, I was involved in an accident in 2010, and I had spinal injury which rendered me paraplegic, and I also had broken ribs, broken arm, but of course the broken ribs ended up causing the ruptured diaphragm. So I ended up with my intestine in the testicle for over 12 hours. It was actually 80% degree injury. And I'm here because of the grace of God, because of the divine declaration.
Amen, amen. So from that time, what challenges have you been facing, especially maybe going to work or trying to fend for yourself?
Yeah, it really was, I really had challenges because I was used to defending for myself. Then all of a sudden I'm just seated there with a lot of people, a lot of friends, shining away from you. Those who used to think they were
Stigma.
Yes. So that stigmatization, was really a problem. But I thank God He did help me.
Amen.
And actually, my husband actually to divorce me because of that.
Oh.
He told me that I can't stay with a wife who is disabled. That's why I had to change. A lot of people know me as Mrs. Majiji, but I had to go back after the divorce.
I'm really sorry about that one. All right, we are here now on this skill development. Do you think it's something that can help you?
Actually, there's no better thing anyone can do for people with disabilities.
Yes.
Other than empowering them. This is actually an empowerment. At least it will desist from the idea of begging and also waiting for handouts.
Yeah.
This is actually teaching us, or rather giving us, fishing hooks. And once you give someone fishing hooks, they will always fish. There's more than enough fish in the drawing.
Oh, beautiful.
But if we are given fish, the fish will eventually get filled.
And then tomorrow we wait for another fish.
Yes, and one other thing, this is actually a therapy, a stress therapy.
Yeah.
Because an idle mind is the devil's workshop.
Oh, yes, beautiful. Yes.
So now you have to think of how to do your bags. Our only prayer is for us to have market. Because we can do something. I mean, I wanted to do, I've always been doing something for myself, But now in the wheelchair, I was not doing much for myself.
So now
but now I'm able to make money. And one other thing is, we can end up now with people with disabilities making more money in the family than those people without disabilities. And as a result, they will be recognized in the family. There's nothing as bad as that your people actually look down upon you and the community as well. And
you become destroyed.
Yes, that destroys you, and that becomes source of stress. And stress is a silent killer.
All right. This is a 2-day workshop. So did you enjoy coming here?
Oh yes, I did.
You couldn't wait for today to finish it?
Yes, I couldn't. I did, and I, as the chairperson of the Norton support group for the disabled people of Norton, when I heard about this, I was so happy. I quickly asked the other members, please, there's this coming, this empowerment project coming, please come and let's do it. And I'm more than amazed actually. It makes me yes. But whoever was involved in doing this, may God bless them. I might not name them all, but may God bless them, and they should know that they've done if ever they've done a good thing in their life, this is the best.
Guys, whoever is watching, you can see, you could be the market for this. You can get in touch with me, and then we can always organize where to get this. Thank you.
Initially, I trained as a teacher.
Okay.
Then disability. So I really wanted to know because it's better how to manage money.
Okay, that's fine.
That's why I kind of want to train diploma. I went for a degree by the University of Zimbabwe. Then I went for a master's in special education.
Okay.
Sakandadaro, I was in 2008. Sakandaka, when I was 57 and single
Pale kwende matola yanafarira kuti makada kudzidza kuti modzira sene mwana wanga ane special needs atisina kuti disability ane special needs. Yes. So chicha makadzidza
besides kuti vanenge vakasiyana nesekero vanogona vasina maoko vasina maguru vasingaona kana kuti vasingadzi. Bottom line is vanhu vakafanana.
Okay. Saka chamukaudze munhu unoziva challenge yatinayo mazuva pamwe vanofunga kuti maybe vakati mwana ane special needs chituko zvokuti dzimwe nguva vana vanotombovigiwa ivavo vasingadi kuburudziwa. So chii chamungaudze mubereki ari kunze ari kutokuona izvezvi kuti kana une mwana ane special needs angaita sei, chii chaangaite kuti abatsirikane?
Chandakaona chandakaita sekutaura pamuri kuita kuti vanoita vana culturally religiously vana ivavo vanenge vari justified. Tinozviziva kuti vemubaibheri chaimo
vanga variyo
David panofunza pane here kumba munhu anotaura kwayo kwavanazani kwaso munhu anotaura muchibefeti chaanotaura ndechekuti ariko asi aka
paneka asi
kabati tikuti isusu nenguva yatairi nguva ino yakatopfuura kudhara kufunga kuti mubereki anofanira kutora vana kuenzanisa vana then we can come out because kune assistant iko yakawandisa. Saka chandinoona chiripo mubereki ane nyaya yekuti iye anozvidiscriminata ende kuti aisoleta ega asati apinda musociety. Yes. Kutura mubereki inenge ndogona kuti ina hangu inenge ndine mwana nemaspecial needs ndozvigara pamapanga. Saka inokufunga kuti experience we should come out kuti inenge ndine dambudziko rangu rakadai rakadai ndobatsirika sei. Mwana anofanira kuita kuchikoro.